Welcome back. You're watching the fourth match in round 3 in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. The scores are Vaz Prep on 25 points and Great Start Academy on 19 points. During the science face-off, Great Start Academy's answer of infection was accepted by the judges, so they will gain a point that they lost and gain one more for the correct answer. So then, let's now go to the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first team buzzing in, earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect or incomplete. The team pressing the buzzer has 5 seconds to answer. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's see that time on the Guardian new Ultimate Provider clock. Teams, we begin with local affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. Great start.
Richard Bells. Richard Bells!
Governor of the Bank of Jamaica, correct. Sports. What was the score of Jamaica's FIFA World Cup qualifying match against the United States on Vaz Prep?
2-0.
On October 8th. In whose favor?
USA.
Correct. Bible knowledge. Whose vineyard did Jezebel arrange for her husband to steal?
Next one.
Naboth's. Science. What is the middle of the 3 small bones in Vaz Prep?
Anvil. The anvil.
In the inner ear of humans, correct. English language. Spell plateau. Great start.
Plateau.
Plateau.
Which means a level high ground, correct. Music. Which Jamaican duo recorded the hit single Murder, She Wrote?
Next one.
Shakademus and Pliers, general knowledge. The Arc de Triomphe is a monument in which European city?
Next one.
Sounds like France.
Paris. Television, this is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this local actress.
Next one.
Ruth Ho-Shing. Mathematics. What is 15 over 225 reduced? Great start.
15.
To its lowest terms, 1 over 15, incorrect. Social studies. The small island of Bequia is specifically a part of which group of Caribbean islands?
Next one.
The Grenadines. Television. Who is the writer of the local drama series Thicker Than Water? Vaz?
It's the Smile Jamaica host.
Delia Harris.
You answered before the bell came in. That is correct. Sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Next one.
Christopher Binney, Jamaican squash champion. Bible knowledge. Which garden was the site of Jesus' prayer? Vaz Prep.
Garden of Gethsemane.
Just before his crucifixion, correct. Science. The gluteus maximus is... Great start.
The bottom.
The bottom.
Is the name of the muscles found in which specific part of the human body? Correct. English language. Does the word berate mean to give high ratings, to criticize? Vaz Prep.
To criticize.
Incomplete. To criticize angrily, or to drink water, it is to criticize angrily. Music. According to the Jamaican folk song, what product is bought when we are go down a Solas market?
Next one.
Vaz Prep.
Ake.
Incorrect. Bananas. General knowledge. Cayenne is the... Vaz Prep.
French Guyana.
Is the capital of which territory? Incorrect. International affairs. Kristalina Georgieva. Great start.
International Monetary Fund. International Monetary
Is the
Fund.
head of which global financial entity? Correct. Mathematics. What is the result of 7.59 is subtracted from 93.18? Vaz.
We don't have any more time.
He's not gonna get it in time.
85.59. Social studies. A band of masqueraders traditionally... Great start.
Christmas. Christmas.
Parade in towns in Jamaica during the Christmas season. What is their name? Jonkanu, incorrect. And that is the bell signifying the end of the match. The final scores now are Vaz Prep on 29 points and Great Start Academy on 25 points. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.